Hello, welcome to the UltFone channel. Encountering iPhone stuck on the Apple logo issue is quite disturbing. Worst of it all, stuck issues can occur in any phase of your iPhone, so you have to know how to handle this unwelcome situation. And thankfully, you have landed in the correct place. In today's video, I will show you 3 feasible methods to fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo. Now let's get started. Method 1. Force restart iPhone in order to pull it back to its normal state. One of the fast ways is to force restart your iPhone. This is also a method that many users are willing to try. Take iPhone 13 as an example. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button. Then you will go back to the home screen. If your iPhone is still stuck in Apple logo, there may be some bugs with the system. The next system repair tool can help you out. Method 2. Use UltFone iOS System Repair. UltFone iOS System Repair is a professional iOS system repair tool. It could fix more than 150 iOS system issues like Apple logo, reboot loop, and black screen without data loss. I'll show you how to use it. Download and launch UltFone iOS System Repair on your computer. Then connect your iPhone. After that, switch back to UltFone iOS System Repair. Click the Start option, then click and select the Standard Repair option to proceed. Click the Download option to download the firmware. After that, click the Start Standard Repair and wait for it to update your iPhone. Well done, it's so easy, right? As you can see, your iPhone is back to normal. You can try this method whenever you encounter any stuck problem. Also, if you don't mind losing data on your iPhone, you can try using iTunes. Method 3. Factory reset iPhone by iTunes. In order to begin with, load iTunes on your computer. Connect your iPhone. Then go back to iTunes. On the home screen, click the iPhone icon. Click Restore iPhone. Note that this will erase all data on your iPhone. You can make a backup before starting. After agreeing to these agreements, iTunes will download the firmware and restore your iPhone. You will have to wait for a long time here. It is recommended that you prepare enough time. Wow, it's completed. Now you can go ahead and complete these settings as a new iPhone. As you can see, your iPhone is no longer looping on the Apple logo. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.